So guys, today we got a video on the trails. Come here. Come here. Come here. You ready, man? You ready? So we always go on the trails and rides. I was like, why not video? You know what I'm saying? So, all right, let's go. He don't like the bike. Turn that. This has been a minute. Made a bridge right there. I don't know if y'all can see, but we made a bridge. That shit got washed away. Hurry up. come in. My God, and I love riding. So we don't even own this land, bro. Like literally, we don't even own this land. Like we had like a chainsaw and then like an old 250 Chinese like 4-stroke ATV, and I was just like, fuck it. One day we came back and was like, damn, this could make a good trail. So we just got some rakes. Then we got a chainsaw. We started cutting down the trees, and then a couple months later, this is it. That's crazy, man, what you could do. But I love it. I don't know, I just like riding. Like, I don't know, it's just something that just makes you feel good. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're feeling stressed out, just come back here and ride. But yeah, I brought the YFZ back here, or the YFZ 450R back here, Yamaha. And that shit did not like back here at all, because it's like you gotta like keep going slow and you keep stalling. But yeah, it just likes being revved out, you get what I'm saying? So I don't know, it was either between the 700 or the 450, but I just like the stance of the 450. You better, you get what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm out of breath. But yeah, let's see if this shit's still recorded. I hope it is. Let's check. Oh yeah, it is. Whew. But yeah, they came ready to come after me. Bro, you ain't got a bark. You brought him on leg for? Why? Oreo. If I don't see it, I mean you went up. Oreo. He's usually in the water. He's over here chilling sometimes. Sometimes he be going up without me. Oreo. Oreo. Guess he went up. I hope he did. Or else I would be in a lot of trouble. Well, my girl, I ain't trying to do all that. Gripping at all. Spinning out. I mean, to be fair, it rained yesterday, so. Yeah, I knew it came up. And it shut up. Come on. My shit leaking coolant. Sucks. Let me get that fixed. But yeah, I guess that concludes the video because my dog came back up. So I had to come back up to see if he was straight or not. But I guess that's the video, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. And let me know what else y'all trying to see. Peace.